Hey guys, welcome to another video by Technoguy Game Guide, and in this video I will just be telling you guys that I am switching to a new text editor rather than the traditional Python editor. So the traditional Python editor is quite dull and well, you have to type everything out character by character, so it's not so comfortable. So I'm gonna switch to this new editor, which is Sublime Text. So Sublime Text is awesome, and I also recommend it to you guys. And subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates about my new videos, and give this video a like. Alright, so I just want to highlight some features of Sublime Text which makes it so useful. So I start by just printing some random text. See, over there. So when I just take in one back bracket, then it autofills with two brackets. Similarly, just like that. Hi there, I am awesome. Alright, so that's my sample text here, and I will just save that as a Python file. So I'll just say test.py, and you see how magically it changes. So each function is highlighted by a different color, and this is highlighted by a different color strings, and awesome. So we just autofill whatever I want. Now when I start with the print function, I can double click on that and I will get the print function ready for me. And I can also take a bracket and it autofills, and I can type whatever text I want. So it's amazing, and it recognizes all the functions, and whatever function I'm trying to type, it just autofills. For example, I want to define a function, and it just autofills like that with the proper syntax. That's amazing. Okay, so this is why I love Sublime Text, and from the next video I will be using Sublime Text for my programs. And just to tell you guys that I'm also stopping my Python tutorials here, and I'm also starting a brand new series of HTML tutorials. Okay, so keep your eyes peeled, and this is an amazing text editor. And just to tell you guys, hold down the control key and your mouse scroll button to increase this text size. Alright, so that is what I wanted to tell you guys, and have a good day. Goodbye, and please subscribe. Bye bye.